right, guys. Well, we're in Arrington, Virginia for Overland Expo East. Let's go check it out.
Hey guys, this is Ben from TRUKD. We're out here at Overland Expo East this weekend. Behind me, we've got Matt's Gladiator. It's got our Overlander rack on it, and this is our slightly upgraded Overlander rack. So it's got an extra new adjustable awning mount. So just like our old Overlander rack, 12-inch rack on one side and a full 24-inch rack on the other. That way you keep your tent down low and your awning up high, and you get the best of both worlds. You can find us at gettruckd.com.
All right, guys, we're here with Joe from Tiny Camper Company. We're here with the Mach 2 Zero Breeze. Joe, tell us a little bit about the Mach 2.
It is a portable air conditioner that is ducted properly, can be very, very, very good for your tent, your campers, or even your van life.
Well, what could you use this for? Give us some examples.
So we personally can use it for the rooftop tents. It does vent out the front for cold air, and you can leave this unit outside to have the exhaust and the return air. Personally, for our campers, what we'll do is we'll actually vent it out towards the back, so you have hot air blowing out and cold air coming in, and then the front will basically duct inside our campers. And most of our campers are typically about a 5x8, 4x8, or 6x8, and this thing will cool down about 25 square feet, so it does pretty well.
Now, what kind of wattage is something like this for?
Unlike a window air conditioner that people put in their campers or trailers, this only uses about 300 watts. So the fact that it's a low wattage, you can actually run it on their battery system, or you guys can run it on, an Inca, a Blue Yeti, a Goal Zero. A 2,000 watt would run this thing perfectly all day. The new Mach 3 coming out, it is awesome. I've been talking to the owners of Zero Breeze for a while. And the one thing that our campers need and most campers need in this overlanding community is going to be some kind of heat source. And it's fairly easy in these little air conditioners. And all you basically do is there's going to be some way to reverse the air from cold to hot. So the new Mach 3s will have air conditioning as well as heaters built in. And that's probably the new standard. Prototype launch should be coming out soon. Keep a lookout for the new Mach 3 here at Tiny Camper Company. You can reach us on our website at www.tinycampercompany.com.
Check out Joe at Tiny Camper Company and the Zero Breeze Mark 2.
Hey guys, this is Brett with Lone Rock Concepts, and we sell Overland water pump kits for these 6 containers. We've got the Reliance container, military container, Scepter container, the Wavian, Front Runner, and Roto packs. Now the cool thing with this is it just makes washing your hands and washing the dishes much easier. If you've got a Roto packs mounted to the side of your rig, you can throw the pump on when you're at camp, and you don't have to unmount your Roto packs. You've got access to water. Another cool feature is you can actually use it as a drinking fountain. So come stop by our booth if you're at Overland Expo, and if not, you can reach out to us at info@lonerockconcepts.com. You can also access our website at lonerockconcepts.com. Thanks, guys.
What's going on, guys? My name is David. I'm with Team ICECO, and we're actually here at Overland Expo East. And you guys are welcome to come check us out here. We're doing some giveaways throughout the weekend. We've got battery packs that we're giving away. We got actually a Go 20 that's off to my right that we're giving away. And you guys can come check us out. We're giving away good deals during the show. If you guys are looking for us after the fact, you guys can go to icecofreezer.com. And we're actually located in Brea, so if you guys are local to SoCal, please feel free to reach out to us and visit us at our office. Thank you, guys. See you soon.
Hey, I'm Elijah with HEST. We're here at Overland Expo East out in beautiful Virginia. We make incredibly comfortable camping products that perform very well in the outdoors. Come check us out. You can find us on Instagram at HEST Outdoors or HEST.com online, or email us at info@HEST.com.
Hey guys, Jack here with TRAILRAX. We're here at Overland Expo East, and we're showing off one of our beautiful rigs that is accommodating our brand new, ready for pre-order Grenadier roof rack. This is what is shown as the full length and is also optioned as a 3/4 length. As you can see, our Grenadier roof rack, which we try to specialize through all our roof racks, is a complete bolt-on design, no drilling required. It uses the factory bolts that is mounted into the body already, right where these grab handles are. If you're going to do the 3/4 rack, this is what you see for that. And if you get the full length, you'll see that we have a ring gutter design clamp for that front, just because these bolts don't continue all the way. And yes, your Safari windows will work if you do get the full length. We also have our Bronco over here, which offers our patented pack racks that's going to be on the side of the roof rack, and also our infamous roof rack that we sell for our Broncos. So you can find us at www.TRAILRAX.com, also at TRAILRAX on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So if you have any more questions, come check us out. And you can also email us at info@trailrax.com if you have any questions. We also have a phone line at 385-777-2601.
Hi, I'm Robin. I'm here with KLEANFREAK, and we've got our body wipes, our all-natural biodegradable body wipes, as well as our flusher product here. These are biodegradable and septic safe. The best part is that there's no alcohol. It's aloe vera, witch hazel, essential oils, so no burning, stinging residue. So these are great wipes to take out camping. And we have lots of great scents for people to enjoy, as well as unscented for our hunters out there who need that. And you can find us on the KLEANFREAK on Instagram or thekleanfreak.com.
Hey, I'm Brooke. We're with CARGODOG. We make a seat-to-lead storage system for the back of the JK, the Joy Gladiator, and now the Tacoma. It is completely removable. If you want to have your seats back in within 15 minutes, have your seats back in. But it's a locked storage system that offers a way to keep things locked up with shock assist lids with LED lighting, so you can find things easier. It uses the same seat bolts, factory seat bolts that already exist, so it's considered a plug and play. You're going to drop it down on top of those seat bolts. You have a cord that plugs right in, and that gives you your lighting. It also gives you your center section, your driver accessible or passenger accessible, so you can reach from the front to open it. And now you have your charging station back there for like gadgets that you want to plug in and keep charged while you're going down the road. You can take out your 40% seat or section and install the seat, so if you have that extra passenger that you need to have with you. But again, you can have the whole thing out and your seats back in within 10-15 minutes. It does come standard with locks, with the weather stripping, with the lights, in the carpet, but we did just team up with Armor Light, which is an amazing flooring system. So you can have the option for $70 to have the Armor Light on top. You can find us at cargo.dog. There's no .com, just cargo.dog, or Facebook CargoDog, or Instagram CargoDog 2021.
Hey guys, it's Inca 4x4 here, Overland Expo 2024. At our booth here, we got some really cool products. We partnered up with Front Runner to get their storage solutions, utensils, their chairs. ICECO always having great products. We have all the different fridge options. And then our trail bags, always a hit. You can come check us out at IncaOverlandOutfitters.com, where you'll get the best prices and fast shipping on trusted brands. And definitely glad to be partnering up with Joe with Tiny Camper to do the new Inca 4x4 Venture Series trailer. Go check out our YouTube video for this. It's got a bunch of features and a really good quality off-road trailer if you're looking for that in the market.
Hey, my name's Carson. I'm with Forged AF Blades. We have a custom Damascus knives and leatherwork. So over here we have custom leather passport style notebook holders. They also feature a knife sheath, proprietary design myself. I also carry a smaller wallet version. These hold a micro Damascus blade with all the offcuts for my custom blades. These custom blades are all handmade by me. I use forged Damascus from Adam DeVille Damascus. I also use Baker Forge and Tool Damascus. I also make my own Damascus. I have my standard models. These are the Maxi model, G10 scales, monosteel blades, acid stonewash, come in Kydex and leather. I also make special edition ones with copper scales, standard leather. Then obviously you can go to the more expensive stuff and get the crazy anything you want. My whole stick is, if If you can draw it, I can make it. So if you want to find me, you're interested in anything you see here, you can find me at forgedaf.com.
What's up, everybody? My name's Alex from Decked. I'm going to talk about the drawer system and some of the products that we make here at Overland Expo. Decked, first and foremost, is an American manufacturing company. All of our products are engineered, designed, and fully produced right here in the USA at factories in Ohio and Utah. So what we're looking at here are kind of our key primary products. The drawer system is really our bread and butter, designed for full-size and mid-size trucks as well as bandstand service bodies. The goal here is to keep you organized, keep your stuff safe from weather, secure, and prevent you from having to crawl into your truck bed. So we have a whole line of cases that can be opened from inside the drawers, perfect for all your tools, all your camping gear, whatever it is you've got. On top of the drawer system, we've got our brand new cargo glide. This is a sliding bed tray so that all of your gear again comes out to you. You don't have to crawl into your truck bed. It's got 1,000 pounds of load and similarly is made fully in the USA. We've also got a whole line of accessories and cases. Our deco cases are right here. We've got our Minuteman 80-liter case. This is perfect for camping gear, off-road recovery gear, archery bow, whatever it is. You know, it can be stored in the deco cases. And just like all of our other cases, the Minuteman can also be opened while in your drawer. So the goal is to keep you organized and have you getting after it real easy. So yeah, that's Decked. You can come find us at decked.com or send us an email. We're on all the social media. Send us a DM, and a real human being based right here in the USA will get back to you.